Hello everybody, welcome to Show Me's World. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas everyone. Today during this holiday season, I will bake this super delicious fruit and nut cake in a Bundt pan. The cake is packed with flavors and full of dry fruits and nuts and is super moist as you can see. So it's super easy to make and any one of you can bake it with the steps I have mentioned. So let's quickly get started. So the ingredients I'm using here for this cake is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, half cup of butter, this is for baking, half cup of milk, 1/8 cup of milk powder, this gives a very good flavor, half a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and half a teaspoon of orange essence. Also using 2 beaten eggs. And now comes for the fruit and nut, what I'm using here. 3 kinds of nuts mainly I'm using. This is the almonds, which I have already cut into small pieces, and this is the cashews. These are the pistachios. Now for the fruits, there is a mix of all the fruits which I'm using here. I'm using here the apricots, the California raisins. This is 1 box. I'm going to give you all the details of the measurements in the description box. And then the cranberries. So as you can see, I'm going to add these cranberries here, and also I'm using here the tutti frutti mix. Having this 1/4 cup of orange juice. This is a non-alcoholic cake, so I'm going to add this and going to soak it for at least for 2 to 3 hours. I think that would do. I'm going to soak it and keep it for some time, so this thing will get soaked in the orange juice. Now I'm going to sieve all the dry ingredients together. I'm putting in the flour, the milk powder and the baking powder together and sieve all the food substance. Now in a pan, putting the flame in medium to low, adding in the butter and melting it. Once the butter is melted, adding in the sugar, and once the sugar melts little bit, adding in the milk into it. All these substances I'm adding in low to medium flame and mix everything well together. You can see how the sugar has dissolved in the butter and the milk actually helps to do that. Once the dissolved butter mixture is in room temperature, adding in the beaten up eggs and mixing all of them well. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients slowly and steadily. I'm going to fold this dry ingredients into the butter mixture slowly on clockwise motion. Don't overfold it. Just do it slowly so there are no lumps formed, and you keep on doing it continuously. The batter mixture is almost ready. Once the batter is smooth and you can see there are no lumps in it, I'm going to add the vanilla essence and the orange extract in it and give it a good blend. Now it's the wow factor, adding in all the amazing nuts and the dry fruits into the batter. It looks so yummy, isn't it? It looks so colorful and packed full of fruits and nuts. Going to give all of these fruit and nuts a good mix. The rich and the sumptuous batter is now ready to get baked and get inside the oven. I'm using here a 6-inch Bundt pan and greasing it completely with oil. You can also use butter in it. I'm going to grease the entire pan well so that once the cake is baked, it does not stick. Adding in the batter into the pan slowly and going to make the top of the batter even. I have already preheated my oven in 350 Fahrenheit and going to set my temperature for cook 45 minutes. You can also keep it for 40 minutes. And now going to put the cake into the oven and wait for 45 minutes. The cake is ready and out of the oven, and I have kept it in room temperature for some time. And now going to demold it. I have put in a knife and loosen up the edges, and now going to turn the pan upside down. The cake is ready. Oh my god, this looks so nice. I'm going to garnish the cake with some granulated confectionery sugar. Going to do it in a sieve. You can see this looks so good and gives me such a nice positive holiday feeling. I just can't wait to cut this cake and grab a piece of it. Just look at it. This is so moist and soft inside, and it's full of flavors. It's buttery, it's full of nuts and dry fruits. Oh my god, it tastes so nice. So friends, do try this recipe out in your kitchen this holiday season and let me know how it was. I'm sure you all are going to love it. Happy holidays once again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Bye bye.